Okay guys, I'm with my dad. I asked him to unbox blind boxes with me kasi may mga bagong dumating. And he doesn't know what these are.
Mga bulag. Nice.
So, ang gagawin, Daddy, you're just gonna open. You don't know what you're gonna get. So, kung itong delicious bunny, ito siya. Tapos, one of those. Or may secret din. So, ito siya, guys. Ikaw muna mag-unbox nito. Pipili ka kung anong sa tingin mo yung laman niya or ano yung gusto mo. Ako parang gusto ko na ito. Ano ba to? Parang Dalmatian. Charot. Ito. Pero actually, they're all cute. Ikaw?
Ito.
The brown one. Okay.
Mukha siyang chocolate.
Sige. Open.
Tara!
Open! Pikit ka muna para hindi mo alam kung ano. Cute! It's blue! Cute! Ay! Ito siya, oh. Tapos pwede mo isabit sa bag.
Sea salt bunny.
Oh!
Favorite natin, sea salt.
Na coffee. So, ito siya. Cute! This one, sikat siya ngayon. Bow-ow yung tawag. Cuddle bow-ow.
Doon ako sa rabbit.
Ito. Yung gray. Ito siya, guys. Cute. Gusto ko, sana makuha natin yung secret. Or, actually, cute naman sila lahat. Ay! Hello! Excuse me. Maybe the bear? Or the rabbit is cute. Sige, ako mag-open ito. Kayo muna makakakita. Oh, you got what you wanted.
No, that's Cuddla.
Joke, oo nga. Cuddla.
It's a Cuddla.
But it looks kind of gray.
What's a Cuddla?
I don't know. Anong animal yun, guys? Cute!
Kasi may cuddle rabbit, cuddle pig, Cuddla.
Cute. Okay, last. This one naman is the Forest Dream. Ito yung options.
Actually, pareho kasi mukha nila lahat.
Parang gusto ko si Hat Bear. Cute naman. Gusto ko din to si Panda kasi may bag siya.
Gusto ko si si Fiery Dragon.
Okay. You got what you wanted! It's the dragon, isn't it? Ang galing mo! Aww. It is the fiery dragon, guys.
Yay!
siya yung swerte. Para sa kanya pala to. Anyway, this is what we got. Show them. See you guys next time. Bye!